You missed one day, one single day, and somehow that turned into a week of doing nothing, waiting for Monday to arrive so you could start fresh. I know that feeling because I've lived that cycle for over 20 times. And today I want to tell you something. Nobody in the self improvement world is honest enough to say. Missing a day was never your problem. What came after that was you have been told the same thing: make a streak and never break it, make it a non negotiable. But nobody talks about what goes inside your head the moment your streak breaks. Because that moment, that single moment, is where consistency either dies or lives. And most people are losing the battle without even knowing it. Point number one: the identity collapse. Here's exactly what happens when you miss a day. Day 1, 2, 3, you are studying consistently, going to the gym, waking up early, doing all the good habits possible. And slowly a quiet identity starts forming inside you. I'm someone who shows up. When you miss a day, the identity doesn't just pause, it entirely collapses. In one day, you go from I'm someone who is disciplined to I'm someone who failed again. And rebuilding an identity from scratch is very exhausting. So instead of showing up the next day, you wait for Monday, for a fresh start, for the version of yourself that feels ready again. That's not laziness, that's not discipline failing, that's identity collapse. And that's the real reason you keep starting over. Point number two: the story you tell yourself. I want you to think about two people who both miss a day. Person A wakes up the next morning and says, I missed yesterday, I'll show up today. Person B wakes up the next morning and he says, I missed yesterday, I've already broken my streak, I might as well start properly on Monday. Same missed day but completely different futures. Person A is back on the track within 24 hours, while person B has given himself the permission to miss an entire week. Your inner voice made a decision about you based on a single data point, and you believed it. The missed day was not the problem, the story was. Point number 3: the only rule. So, after so many restarts and about a month of going to the gym and studying consistently, here's the only rule that I learned that actually works: don't miss twice. That's it, that's the whole framework. Missed one day, human, acceptable, expected. Missed 2 days in a row, now you are building a habit, the habit of not showing up. Because here's what I have learned about habits from our elders, from ancient wisdom, and from my own painful experience. Habits are not built by perfect streaks, they are built by what you do after you fail. The person who never misses is not more disciplined than you. Maybe he is, but they have gotten very good at one single skill: the skill of coming back the next day. That single skill is available to all of us. It doesn't require talent, it doesn't require motivation, it just requires showing up tomorrow. Let me tell you exactly how this used to go for me. I'd build a study streak of 3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours, day after day, and I'd start feeling it, that quiet pride of someone who shows up. Then one day, I'd do zero. Maybe I was tired, maybe life happened, and instead of coming back the next day, I told myself, you have missed your streak, you've already failed. Start fresh. That fresh start would come. Monday would come. I'd study hard for the next 3 days. Then I'd miss a day and back to zero. 20 times, 20 identical cycles. And the entire time I thought that my problem was discipline, that I was not disciplined enough, that some people are built differently. And here's what I finally understood: my discipline was fine, but my inner voice was totally broken. That single moment when I stopped treating a missed day as an evidence of who I am and started to treat it just as a missed day, everything changed. Not overnight, but slowly, quietly, one return day at a time. Don't miss twice, that's the only rule. Show up tomorrow, not perfectly, not with full energy, not with a start speech to yourself. Just show up. I am Anzar and I'm becoming the best version of myself with each day passing. Hit the subscribe button and let's do it together. And I will see you in the next video.